In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Whimsical, a powerful tool for creating diagrams, flowcharts, wireframes, and much more. This is a straightforward process that will enable you to enhance your projects with insightful text, providing essential context for your visuals. Let's start by navigating to Whimsical. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to the Whimsical login page. Upon reaching the login screen, look for the option to log in using Google. This method is often the quickest and easiest way to access your account, assuming you use Google services. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account, and after doing that, you'll gain access to your Whimsical workspace. Once you're in your workspace, locate the specific board or project you want to work on. It's important that you've opened the correct project so you can add your text where it's needed. If you're not sure about which project to select, take a moment to revisit the scope of your work and identify the relevant board among your saved projects. Next, you'll want to focus on adding your text. Look for the text icon, represented by a capital T on your toolbar. This icon is your gateway to inputting text into your project. Click on it to activate the text box tool. After selecting the text icon, move your cursor to the workspace area where you aim to place the text. Click on your chosen area in the workspace to insert a text box. This action will create a new text field, and you'll immediately notice a small text box appear where you clicked. At this stage, the box is typically small, so if you need more space to accommodate longer text, you can adjust its size. To increase the length of the text box, find the small box icon right alongside it. Click and drag this icon to stretch the text box horizontally, giving your text ample room to be visible and clear, ensuring your project's readability and organization are maintained. Once your text box is sized to your liking, you may want to adjust the font size of the text. Look for the plus and minus symbols, which will allow you to resize the font to either increase or decrease the text size according to your preference or design requirements. Adjusting the font size can help emphasize important details or improve the overall aesthetic of your diagram. By following these steps, you're on your way to creating a well-organized, text-enhanced visual document in Whimsical. Adding text to your projects will not only clarify your points, but also enhance the overall presentation. Feel free to repeat these steps as necessary for all the text additions you wish to make across different parts of your project. Good luck and enjoy the creative process.